No Fate AI is a brand new software that's already making waves in the AI space. And in this No Fate AI review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of whether this is the best AI software for you, especially if you're looking for cutting-edge AI tools. And as always, you can try it for free using the first link below. So, what makes No Fate AI stand out from the pack? First off, this software is designed for people who want to simplify their workflow and take advantage of AI without needing a deep technical background. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or any other field that involves repetitive tasks, No Fate AI is designed to automate those processes so you can focus on what truly matters: your business growth. One of the standout features is its ability to instantly generate content across multiple formats. From blog posts to social media updates and email marketing copy, No Fate AI can do it all with a level of accuracy that rivals a professional content creator. But it's not just about speed, it's about quality too. The software uses advanced natural language processing to ensure the output sounds human, engaging, and relevant. What really sets No Fate AI apart from other tools is its ability to adapt to your brand's voice. It has a smart customization feature that learns from your past content to create a more consistent tone across all of your messaging. So, instead of having to rewrite everything, you can trust No Fate AI to maintain a cohesive narrative for your business. But there's more to No Fate AI than just content creation. This tool also brings a game-changing feature to the table. It's AI-driven analytics. It analyzes your content performance in real time and adjusts future output based on what works best. This is a huge time saver for businesses who need to optimize their content for better engagement, but don't have the resources to manually track everything. Another impressive aspect is the software's seamless integration with other popular tools. Whether you're using Google Analytics, Shopify, or social media management platforms like Hootsuite, No Fate AI connects to all your essential apps. This means you can manage everything from a single dashboard without worrying about manual updates or having to jump between different platforms. Now let's talk about usability. The user interface of No Fate AI is incredibly intuitive, designed with both beginners and advanced users in mind. You don't need to have a tech background to use it, and yet it still offers the advanced features that digital marketers love. This makes it perfect for small business owners who want to leverage AI without the steep learning curve. Another great thing about No Fate AI is its scalability. Whether you're running a small startup or managing a large enterprise, the software adapts to your needs. It grows with you, and the more you use it, the smarter it gets. This makes it not just a tool for today, but a solution for long-term growth. Lastly, No Fate AI is affordable. Unlike other AI platforms that lock you into expensive contracts, this software offers flexible pricing plans that cater to different needs and budgets. Plus, as I mentioned, you can try it completely free through the link below, so you have nothing to lose by giving it a shot. If you're still unsure, don't worry. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, I've gathered a list of the best options out there, and No Fate AI is one of my top recommendations. You can find those in the description, where I break down my personal favorite AI software based on years of experience. Now go ahead and try No Fate AI for yourself and see how it can revolutionize your workflow. The future of AI is here, and No Fate AI is a big part of that future.